Managing messages. Bulk deletion on your iPhone.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover a handy topic for all iPhone users out there: how to delete multiple messages at once. This can be a great tool for decluttering your Messages app or getting rid of any old conversations you no longer need. Let's get started.
How can I select multiple messages?
First, you need to open your Messages app. In the list of your conversations, you'll notice that swiping left on a conversation will allow you to delete it one by one. However, to delete multiple messages or entire conversations, you need to perform these steps. 1. Tap on Edit in the upper left corner of the screen. 2. Select the conversations or messages you want to delete. You will see a circle appear on the left of each conversation. When you tap on the circle, a blue check will appear indicating it's selected. 3. Select as many conversations as you wish to delete.
How to delete selected messages.
Once you have selected the messages you want to remove, follow these steps. 1. Look at the bottom right of your screen and tap on the Delete button. 2. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected messages. Press Delete again to confirm. That's it. You've now successfully deleted multiple messages from your iPhone. Deleting messages from your iPhone can be quick and easy, and it's a fantastic way to keep your Messages app organized. I hope this guide has been useful to you, and remember, you can always revisit these steps if you need to do a cleanup in the future. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.